Today I will start the chapter tangent and normal, that is also the part of the application of derivative. Now since tangent is a straight line, so equation of a straight line is what? Y minus y1 equal to m x minus y x minus x1. So m means what? Dy dx, that is the slope. Now equation of the normal. What is normal? Normal is perpendicular on tangent. Therefore equation of the normal equal to y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy dx into x minus x1. Since we know that m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, since tangent and normal are perpendicular, so the slope would be what? In place of dy dx it would be minus 1 by dy dx. Now the example. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to 3x square minus 4x at x equal to 4. Now we have to find out dy dx. So what is dy dx? Dy dx equal to 3x square, that means 6x, minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4, and we have to find out dy dx at the point x equal to 4. So we have to write in this way, within third bracket x equal to 4, and putting the value of x in this place. So 6 into 4 minus 4 equal to 20. So the slope of the tangent is 20. Now the second example. Second example is what? Find the slope of the normal to the curve x equal to a cos cube theta, comma y a sin cube theta at theta equal to pi by 4. Now x equal to, this is the parametric form. So x equal to a cos cube theta. So dx d theta equal to minus thrice a cos square theta sin theta. Now dy d theta equal to thrice a sin square theta cos theta. Now dy dx equal to what? Dy d theta by dx d theta. Now putting the value of dy d theta and dx d theta, we get 3a sin square theta cos theta by thrice a cos square theta sin theta, that is equal to minus tan theta. Now at the point what? At the point theta equal to 4. So we have to find out slope, that is dy dx at theta equal to pi by 4. So putting in place of theta pi by 4, we get minus tan pi by 4. So equal to minus 1. Therefore slope of the normal is equal to what? Minus 1 by dy dx, that is minus 1 by slope of the tangent, that is minus 1 by minus 1. This is the slope of the tangent, so that is equal to 1. So slope of the normal equal to 1. Now the third example. Find a point on the curve y equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Now y equal to x minus 2 whole square, therefore dy dx equal to 2 into x minus 2. Now slope of the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4 is equal to 4 minus 0 by 4 minus 2, that is equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is the slope of the chord, that is equal to 2. Since the chord is parallel to the tangent, therefore this slope and this slope is equal, because m1 equal to m2, because the chord is parallel to tangent. So 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 2, therefore x minus 2 equal to 1, therefore x equal to 3. Now putting the value of x in place of y equal to x minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 3 minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 square, that is equal to 1. That means the value of y equal to 1 and value of x equal to 3. Therefore the point is 1, 3. This is the point of on the curve.